Hi Dress-O Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Poppy from Trolls Band Together. So let's get started. To draw a cute Poppy, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And I'm going to come right next to it, very close, and draw another circle. Now that my two circles in, let's make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. There. So now with my eyes in, I'm going to come to the sides right here and just spruce them up with some lashes. So 3, 2, and 3. And thicken it up. So same thing here on the sides. 1, 2, and 3. Then from there, I'm going to come up, say about right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and draw a soft curve for her brow. Right over that eye. And then let's go draw her nose. So in between the eyes, I'm going to come right here and draw a wide curve right in between. And then we're going to draw two small curves on the sides for this troll nose and connect at the bottom with another curve. There. And then let's give her a sweet smile. So say about right here. I'm going to go ahead right underneath the nose. I'm going to draw a curve and then go slightly upwards and cap it off. There. Then from there, let's go ahead and we're going to need to frame her face. So I'm just going to use this as my guide. I'll find the center of my eye, come up above the brow. So say about right here, I'll just give myself a point. From there, I'm going to go ahead and draw one strand of hair. So same thing over here, but this side is going to be much longer. I'm going across and it's going to almost hit her eye and go up and in. So then from there, I'm going to go ahead and come back about here and draw another curve. And so same thing over here. So close to her eye right here, I'm going to draw another curve. So we're just going to go back and forth like a Christmas tree. I need to frame her face. Then from there, let's say the center of our nose. I'm going to come out to say about right here. I'll give myself a point, nice and wide, and same thing over here. So about right here, same distance on the other side. Then from there, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve coming down. So nice and wide, kind of following our smile. And I'll find my center. So let's say about right here. I'll just give myself a point so I know where I'm going. So definitely turn your body or the paper. And bring in the curve. And same thing over here. There, nice and wide. So hopefully you're using a pencil, you make any adjustments you need. And then from there, I bring this, we need to come in with a curve for the start of the ear. So same thing here, just gonna draw a curve. Then from there, let's see, using this as my guide, I'm gonna come up, straight up to say about right here. So same thing here, come up to about the same level as the other side, about right there. And then now these two are pretty level. I'm going to come right here and draw a curve touching that point and going down to start our crown. So right over her head. And whatever space you have left, just finish up this strand. And then I'm going to come right here and start to zigzag some hair just to fill in this space. And one more. There. And just imagine right here, we're going to come up and finish off her ear and bring it right back. I'm going to draw a curve in there for some detail. So same thing on this side. I'm just going to come out and just zigzag some hair. And then once again, back to that point right here. I'm going to go up, imagining overlapped, and draw the other ear. And then a curve. There. Okay, so then from there, let's go ahead and we're going to come right back about right here, and we're going to thicken up this band for her crown. Right there, and then we're going to go up, come back here, we're going to go up on both sides, and then let's go up nice and high. So say about right here, I'm going to draw one little curve, and then towards the center, very subtle, just draw another curve just to give you a little bit more detail, and then you can pop it up again and bring it down for her hair right back. And you can come in here, just lightly put in a curve there. And then in the center, we need to draw the poof of hair that's coming out. So here and here in the center, I'm going to go up and just start to zigzag. So one, it's all up to you how complicated you want it. Let's say about right here. Then I'm going to start going the other side. And down, maybe one more, and bring it right back in. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's draw some details on this band right here. So it's like a braid. So I found it's the easiest way to do it. Hopefully I'm going to be able to help you. Come to the center of this band, about right here, and we're just going to draw these curves that come down. So we're just going to go all the way across, just come down and curve. So it's like a wave right towards the center, and a wave, and then we're going to go all the way across. And one more. There. And then for the top, let's say about right here, we're going to do the same thing and curve up the other way. So the center of this, just curve up. Center of every hump. There. And if you want to make it really detailed, you can just pop this out as well. So then it looks even more like a braid, right? If you like, just pop out these curves right here. There. So hopefully I helped you draw that. And then last but not least, we need to add a bunch of these cute little circles, details coming out. So here and there, we'll just simplify and add, going different directions. Maybe one popping out here as well. There. Okay, so now that we have that in, let's go ahead and finally draw the body. So I'm going to make it, let's draw it nice and simple. So let's say about right here and here. I'm going to go ahead and just draw angle line coming down on both sides. And then from there, I'm just going to connect it right here. So about right here, I'm just going to connect it with a bunch of little curves to make it look like a cloud. There. And then for some details, come right here in the center. We're going to draw this V shape and then bring it down. And then let's add some bands. And here as well. There. And then let's draw her hands first. We're going to have them on her side. So let's come about right here. And we're going to angle and out. So sticking it up. Angle down, give a little finger, and then in. So same thing on this side. Down, angle, and in. So once again, just sticking it up. And in. Right there. And then on this side, I believe she has a bracelet. So I'm just going to come right here and draw that around her hand. And then for her beautiful skirt, my favorite part of this outfit, I'm going to come about right here. And we're just going to poof this skirt. So then about right here, just going to come down and give it a tail. So I'm just going to start going around. But let's come back to say about right here in the center area. I'm just going to go ahead, start with some curves. So we have an opening for her legs right in the center. And then let's draw her legs. So let's say about right here and here. I'm just going to give myself 2 points in the center. I'm going to come in and curve towards the center and down. So same thing here. Curve and down. And then come about right here. Angle and down. And we're just going to round it off for her foot. So same thing here. Angle, and round it off, and connect. And then for some toes, come right here, 2 smaller ones. So same thing on this side. There. Okay, and then let's finish this skirt. So I'm gonna come right here, tuck it in, bring this down, and then we can start to draw the tail of our skirt. Bring it down and give it a little more of a tail right here. And I'm just going to draw a bunch of curves to finish it off. There. So hopefully that looks like this beautiful cloud skirt that she's wearing. And hopefully I haven't forgotten anything, but this is pretty much it here for my second drawing of Poppy from Trolls Band Together. I really hope you love this outfit just as much as the first one I drew. And I need to put a heart somewhere, don't I? You know what? Let's put it on her foot. We're just going to give her a little tattoo. There. Thanks so much for watching. And if I hope to draw Poppy here fun and easy today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.